this in the wild with Chris. I'm up in Jämtland in the north of Sweden, where I've brought out my old wooden skis. These skis are old military skis used by generations of conscripts in the Swedish army. They're sarcastically known as Vita blixten, or white lightning. But it may not be fast. They're not very good downhill, but they're great for traversing the snow in the forest or out in the open. If you don't prepare the skis, they're going to gather a bunch of snow underneath, and you'll end up walking with really heavy piece of wood under you. So you need to tar these skis to impregnate them, and I'll show you how I do that. These Vita blixten I got as a gift several years ago. I exchanged the ordinary metal bindings for a tegsnäs binding, and the skis are probably from the mid-60s, but work fine. So now I'm going to show you how to prepare wooden skis using tar. To impregnate wooden skis like this, you use tar, but the tar is quite viscous, so you need to heat it up so it gets more fluid. And when you apply it on the skis, use a blowtorch to heat the tar so that it gets sucked up into the wood. I also use some rags to spread the tar, and I use plastic gloves because it's real sticky and you get quite messy on your hands. Now I start out by heating it up and wiping off old layers of tar and pollen and dust that are stuck in it. There, now I've burnt off most of the old the dust and the pollen and some of the old tar, and now I'm going to apply new tar and heat it until it gets sucked into the wood. Now I have the first layer of tar on the skis, and I'm gonna heat that and help the wood suck it up. And then I'll wipe it down a bit, and I'll see if I need more layers. Well, that's the basics on how to put tar on your wooden skis. I don't think I need another layer here. You want to put on the tar until the wood is very dark brown, close to black. And it might look the surface looks a little bit rough, but that will wear off in a couple of kilometers on the skis. Now the tar stops water and snow from getting into your skis and sticking on your skis. And you can put on wax, either ordinary candle wax or ski wax. I usually use candle wax to help you get a little flow and slide on the skis. Now I'm going to wait for some better weather, a little bit freezing before I take them out, but I'll take you along in that. Well, that was a quick trip up north in Sweden, and hopefully you learned something about taking care of your wooden skis. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, this is In the Wild with Chris, and I'm out.